a simple library management system in Python using functions. So look at the first line, library is equal to square brackets open and close. This is called list. We will be discussing list in the coming chapters. At this stage, list is nothing but collection of items placed within square brackets. So how many function definitions are there? We have add book. So what are you doing in add book? Enter book name. So when you enter a book name and that book is added to the list library using append. Append is a method. You get the message book added successfully. So if you want 10 books to be added, you call the function 10 times. Display books. All the books are placed in the list library. If the length of the library is 0 means no books available, otherwise all the available books you print it using for loop. Now the method search book, that is a function. So enter the name to search. If book in library, it is found, otherwise not found. We have a method issue book. Enter the book name to issue. If the book in library, then remove. So remove means you are issuing the book. Means that book is not available for another person. So we have another method return book. Enter the book name to return. Once a book is returned means that book is added to library, so that it will be available for another person. So we have a menu. So while true means always you go inside the loop. So we have menu, add book, display book, search, issue, return and exit. Enter the choice. If choice is 1, you call add book. If choice is 2, display books. If choice is 3, search. If choice 4, issue book. If choice 5, return book. Choice 6 is break, means come out of the loop. Why we use while true always? Because we don't know the number of books available, or there is no limit. So keep on repeat the loop until you give 6.